Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to set the deployment name in Rocky Linux 8 operating system. So what is deployment name? So deployment name is nothing but during software development life cycle, developers may undergo several phases like development, testing, deployment, production. Okay, so at that time developers will be using many environments, okay, like development box, staging box, production box. Okay, so we need to classify those box, right? So this command will be useful for that one. You can see that hostnamectl set hyphen deployment, give the name as development box. You can see that I have set this box as a development box. Okay, you can also reset or clear the deployment name. Okay, so hostnamectl set hyphen deployment empty string, that will clear the deployment name. Okay, anyway I need a deployment name. Okay, so I want to classify this box whether it is belong to development or staging or production. So I am putting back as a staging box. So here you can see that deployment, sorry, okay, deployment name is displayed as staging. Okay, this command will be useful for you. So this is the way we need to set the deployment name in Rocky Linux 8 operating system.